The IFYOO RGB gaming headset stand is a must-have accessory for any gamer or streamer looking to organize their setup while adding a touch of style. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, this stand not only holds your headset securely, but also comes equipped with 2 USB ports, making it a convenient hub for charging or connecting other peripherals. Its universal compatibility means it works seamlessly with PC, Xbox One, PS4, Switch, and even standard earphones, ensuring you can centralize all your gaming gear in one sleek spot. One of the most appealing features of this headset stand is the built-in RGB lighting. The vibrant colors and customizable effects instantly elevate your desk setup, creating a professional and immersive gaming environment. The lighting is smooth and adjustable, allowing you to match it with your other RGB peripherals or create a unique visual theme for your gaming space. The stand is sturdy and well-built, providing a stable base so your headset and devices stay in place without risk of tipping over, even during hectic gaming sessions. The 2 USB ports are a practical addition that enhances usability. You can charge your wireless headset, connect a mouse, keyboard, or any other USB accessory, reducing cable clutter and keeping your desk organized. The ergonomic design ensures your headset is displayed safely without putting stress on the band or ear cups, preserving its longevity. Its modern, sleek design blends perfectly with any gaming setup, whether minimalist or RGB heavy, and the compact footprint ensures it fits easily on your desk without taking up unnecessary space. Overall, the IFYOO RGB gaming headset stand is one of the best accessories to upgrade any gaming or streaming setup. It combines aesthetics, practicality, and durability in a single package. With its sturdy construction, versatile USB ports, universal compatibility, and striking RGB lighting, it not only keeps your headset safe, but also enhances the overall look and functionality of your gaming station. This is a smart investment for anyone serious about maintaining an organized, stylish, and efficient gaming environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.